Hey everyone, no fancy hooks today. I just want to show you another free feature of the AIWU plugin that lets you instantly fix, translate, shorten, expand, and rewrite text with AI right inside the WordPress editor. First, make sure you have the AIWU plugin installed and activated. Here's what it looks like in your plugins list. Now let's open any post in the editor and see Magic Text Enhancer in action. Let's highlight this text and click Fix Grammar. A couple of seconds and it's corrected. Next, let's try Enhance Text. The AI improves clarity and flow instantly. Then longer text. One click and the plugin expands the paragraph with more detail and context. Let's move on to Translate Text. Pick a language, hit Go, and the translation appears right inside the editor. And finally, suggest synonyms. The plugin rephrases the text with relevant synonyms while keeping the original meaning. If you need something special, use custom prompt to give any instruction you like. For example, you can rewrite the text in a friendlier tone, add a joke, or adapt it for LinkedIn. Total freedom. And that's it. Super simple. By the way, you can fully customize this feature. Change default prompts, rename actions, reorder them, whatever you like. Just go to Plugin, Workspace, AI Magic Text Enhancer, and tweak it to fit your workflow. See you next time.